Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this June the 4th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, the current watch and warning advisory map. Storm Prediction Center overview and the storm report that came in this afternoon. And also, we're going to take a look at the tropical weather outlook over the next 48 hours. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like the videos, also share the videos. And let's go get the show on the road here, folks. All right, you can see here we got a big area. Of thunderstorms in Kansas and also Colorado, Jamaica, Cuba, portion of the Bahamas, Newfoundland, and also into New Brunswick. All of this activity is for your Wednesday, June the 5th. Alright, let's move on to your Thursday. As you can see, we got thunderstorms and showers over here around Oregon, stretching into Idaho, Wyoming, also portions of Utah, Nevada, California, also into Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, back down into portions of the northeast Mexico, also into Oklahoma, stretching over into Mississippi, Alabama, the Carolina, Gulf of Mexico, also through much of Florida, Florida Keys, northwest Bahamas, the Atlantic coastal waters, stretching from the Carolina, Wisconsin, Michigan, and the northwest, portion of California, Gulf of California, down to Mexico, portion of Newfoundland, and also New Brunswick area as well. All of this activity is for your Thursday, June 6th. Alright, here's your current weather radar. As you can see, we got some scattered activity across Virginia down to the Carolinas, Georgia, into portions of Mississippi, Louisiana, some flash flood warnings there as well. More activity over Michigan, also western Michigan, northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin. More activity over here into portions of Montana, northern Idaho, and also into Washington State as well. We got a line of severe thunderstorm warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, we still waiting. Okay, here we go. Connecticut and New York State, Pennsylvania with some coastal flood advisory there as well. Around the New Jersey, Delaware area, special weather statements across South Carolina. Also, we have some area of flood advisories around the Charlotte area. We got ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings, severe thunderstorm watches in effect for Mississippi and Louisiana. We have some flash flood warnings there in the burgundy color. Excessive heat, special weather statement for Central and South Louisiana, Mississippi, Louisiana, over into Arkansas, Oklahoma, and also portions of the Kansas area. And also got another severe thunderstorm watch in portions of Minnesota with ongoing flash flood watches in effect there as well for portions of Minnesota and also into Wisconsin. Wind advisories over the Dakotas here. Also, we have some excessive heat warnings for California, also southern Nevada. Also has some heat advisory for portion of Utah, also Arizona, and portion of California there as well. Southern New Mexico also. Also, we have some high wind warnings also in effect reported in Montana, also into portions of Wyoming, also one county there in North Dakota with wind advisories over portions of Montana as well, and also one county in areas. Got some small craft advisory from portions of Southern California up to Washington State. Same down here across the southeast coast of Texas. Also some around the Hawaii and Chain Island. Also around the Alaska area, inland area. Got some red flag warnings, special weather statements there as well. Storm prediction center overview. There's the activity in the central portion from Minnesota down into portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. Severe thunderstorm out of convective outlook. Let's see if we can. But anyway, here's the severe thunderstorm watches in the blue. Like I said, down in Mississippi, Louisiana, Oklahoma, also in the portion of Kansas, and also a little bit up in portions of, well, since I'm having trouble with it, should be no tropical cyclone formation expected over the next 48 hours. Yep, tropical cyclone activity not expected over the next 48 hours over the tropical Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Also, like these videos, share these videos again, and make sure you subscribe. And enjoy the rest of your evening on this Tuesday evening.